Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have this GD Hardware Cruciform lock. Key works, has 4 sections, each with 3 pins. Got a tension here on the top left. Nothing on the top left. Go to click on the top right in the first pin. Nothing else there. Click on 1 on the bottom right. May have been it, just that one. Click on 1 on the top left. Move back. I'm just going to keep going in a clockwise fashion. 2 and 3. Three on the top left. Click on the first one on the bottom right. Click on the second one. Must have overset something, because normally at this point I'll have some movement on the core. There was some movement there. Clicks on 2 and 3 there. Quite a bit more movement there. And there we have it. Nice. Can be a little tricky, but there's no security pins or anything like that as far as I can tell. I think they went with the approach of more pins, more better. Anyway, that's all I have for you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Thanks.